my Yeddi YEDDI 7-inch backup camera monitor and backup camera for $100 have been totally worth the money for safety and for efficiencies of hooking up and disconnecting trailers by myself and with the crew. If you haven't put a backup camera in your tree service truck or climbing truck yet, and you're carrying trailers or hauling trailers regularly, you really should get one. This thing was only $100 on Amazon, and it's really well made so far. I've been using it for about 2 months and no problem. So just thought I'd share that with you guys. And I get to see what he's doing. I know when he's done, and I can pull off and we can all be safe, even when it's two of us doing it versus just using it by myself, which even when I have to back up and hook up the trailer by myself, it's amazing. All right, there you go. So this is that Yeddi YEDDI backup camera that I was telling you guys about the other day. It has night vision too, by the way. I forgot to mention that, and it works really well.